guys, it's me, Tiffany.
And Boo Boo.
And we are back with another review. Not just any review.
What?
Today, what we have for you is, you're gonna love it, plant-based, new, meatless lasagna. Yes, that's right. Bird's Eye has a new plant-based Gardein beef, meatless beef lasagna. That's right, meatless, plant-based. Two words I love, right? So I just want to read you a little excerpt from the back of this. And it says, there's something different and delicious inside this lasagna, and it comes from plants. We switched things up with tender pieces of Gardein meat-free, plant-based beef instead of regular beef. You won't believe the taste and texture. Whether you're going meatless or just eating less meat, it's a simple and satisfying swap, so you can get more plant-based protein from the comfort foods you crave. This looks amazing. It looks really, really good. And we're gonna try it. Boo Boo's got his right here. We just left them in the containers that we cooked them in the oven. I let it bake a little longer because I like my edges crispy. So, well, we're gonna try this. Boo Boo's got his. I'll leave this right there for you guys. I'm gonna try this because it smells really good. I gotta tell you that. Will you see the smoke coming off? I don't know if you guys can see that. It's really hot. All right, let's see what it tastes like. So far, it doesn't taste bad.
The bite I had was just cheese.
That's what my bite was too. So I was trying to get underneath because there's so many layers. There we go. I got meat in that one. And to be honest, I can't even tell that that's not hamburger.
That's really good.
I cannot even tell that that's not hamburger. The little pieces taste just like hamburger. I'm gonna show you guys one of the pieces. Because you legit cannot even tell. Look at that, guys. You cannot even tell that that's meatless. That bite was a little hot. It's really good though. This is really good.
I wasn't sure how I felt about the meatless.
This is really good, you guys. Really, really good. Let me just say that if you did not know that this was meatless, or if you did not know that it was plant-based, you would eat this lasagna and you wouldn't even be able to tell. It's really good. I love it. I give it a 10. It's perfectly fine. I would not be able to tell that this was not meatless, plant-based lasagna. It tastes just like regular lasagna. Yeah, it's so much healthier for you. This is the way to go, Bird's Eye. This is definitely the way to go. This is really good. I love it. Once again, guys, meatless, plant-based lasagna with Gardein meat free, plant-based proteins from Bird's Eye. If you've never tried it, because it is brand new, get out and try it. You're gonna love it. Especially if you're trying to lead a healthier lifestyle like we are. We're very interested in a lot of the plant-based products. That tells you. Forgot to grab one. Sorry. But that tells you that it's really, really good. I ate the entire thing. Boo Boo here isn't done. You have a little piece left. Are you not eating it? Oh, okay. He saved a bite for Gabriella to try it because she's right behind camera and she would like to try it as well. So, anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this quick little review. It's amazing. I loved it. What did you rate it?
I would rate it a 10. This is really, really, really good.
And that's what I rate it as well.
You wouldn't know it if you didn't know.
Scale 1 to 10, I give it a 10. And Boo Boo here says he gives it a 10 also. So that says a lot, guys, because Boo Boo is a meat eater, okay? He loves meat. And if he's saying that you can't tell the difference, that it's not regular hamburger, believe it, guys, believe it. All right, well, I hope you all enjoyed this quick little review, and we'll see you in our next video. Stay blessed, not stressed.
Bye, guys. Peace. Oh.